Dear students, next I am going to test the iodide radical with the help of silver nitrate. So I will call this one as the action of silver nitrate. Action of silver nitrate. Here about 5 milligrams of iodide, 5 milligrams of iodide compound is dissolved in water and a few drops of dilute nitric acid is added in a semi-micro test tube. After heating and cooling, a few drops of silver nitrate solution is added and is shaken well. So what will happen now? When you treat with the iodide with the silver nitrate, the corresponding silver iodide it is formed. Silver iodide, a dark yellow precipitate. An yellow precipitate of silver iodide insoluble in ammonium hydroxide shows the presence of iodide. So this is the confirmative test. So here I want to give one information. So action of silver nitrate test is useful to differentiate chloride, bromide and iodide. In the case of chloride, white precipitate soluble in ammonium hydroxide. In the case of bromide, a pale yellow precipitate sparingly soluble in ammonium hydroxide. In the case of iodide, yellow precipitate insoluble in ammonium hydroxide. I hope you have a very clear idea. Thank you. Next test for iodide is action of silver nitrates. So, a little pinch of the potassium iodide. Dear students, next test for bromide ion. Potassium bromide I have taken. So, few milligrams of potassium iodide in semi-micro test tube. And now I am going to add about that 5 milligrams I added. Then I have to add water solution. Make it, add water and form it a solution. Please follow. It is dissolved in water. So solution form I have brought. Now, before heating, I have to add a few drops of dilute nitric acid. Dilute nitric acid. Dilute nitric acid I have to use. See, this is the dilute nitric acid. I have to use a few drops. Because only in the acid medium it will react. Okay, I added a few drops of dilute nitric acid. Now, so just I am heating for complete reaction. Heating for complete reaction. See, after heating, so what we have to do now? Then we have to cool it. We have to cool it. So I have to add silver nitrate. So this is a test for silver nitrate. So after cooling, I am adding silver nitrate. I am adding silver nitrate. Kindly follow. Silver nitrate solution I am adding. So in the case of chloride white precipitate, now just see what is happening. It is not white, it is yellow precipitate. So, yellow precipitate. Kindly follow this. Yellow precipitate.